Hello techies, welcome to IT Tech Solution. To start using AWS, the first step is creating an AWS Free Tier account. It allows us to explore various AWS services without upfront costs. We will get access to popular services like EC2, S3, and RDS with limited usage for 12 months. So, signing up is easy. We just need to provide our email ID, payment details for verification, and we need to choose free basic support plan. With AWS free tier, we can learn about the cloud computing while staying within the free usage limits. This is a great way, to learn and get hands-on experience with cloud technology at no cost. To create a free tier account, we will go to aws.amazon.com, and here we will get different options here. From this, we'll go to the pricing, and in this pricing, we see AWS free tier. We'll just click on that, click on create a free tier account. So here I have given my email ID and AWS account name. Let's just click on verify email address. So this will generate a verification code and that will be sent to our email ID. We need to verify that code. I'll just copy this code from my mail and I'll paste it here in the verification code, and let's just click on this verify. So now it's asking us to use a password. Make sure to give a strong password. I'll give my password here. Let's just set up and make sure that we satisfy all the conditions for the password here. And let's just confirm the password once again. Let's click on continue. So here is a small form that we need to fill up. Let's just quickly fill this up. How do you plan to use AWS? It's for personal. We'll just give the full name in case they want to contact whom they should contact, and then we'll give phone number here with country code +91 and then the phone number. Then we'll give country or region as India, and then we'll give address line 1 and address line 2. Let's give the basic address here because these fields are mandatory. We need to provide at least some information here. So I'll just add my basic address here. Alright, so I have filled this small form, and then let's just click on this. I have read the terms and conditions and continue to next step. Then we will get the billing information that we need to just add here. It is just for verification. They clearly mention it here. So let's just give these details here. After filling the card details, we will just click on do you have a PAN? I'll say yes, and let's just give the PAN ID and verify and continue step 3. So let's go to the next step. To authenticate, it is just asking to complete a transaction of 2 rupees, INR 2 rupees. So we'll just enter the OTP that we received, and after entering the OTP, let's just do a submit here. Now we have come to the next step. Here we just need to add the primary purpose of this account registration. So just a basic information that they would need. So we will say for personal use, anything you can give, and ownership type again we'll give individual. It's not a company or not any partner, so it's individual. And Indian document type I have given as PAN card. To verify the identity, we need to provide some ID proof, and then we'll give the date of birth here, and then we will enter again the PAN number. Then I agree and then continue to the next step. Then again we need to confirm the identity, so they will be sending an SMS or voice call, so I'll go with the text message, and then again I'll give the country code here, which is 91 for India, and the mobile number that I would use to get this confirmation. So we'll just submit the captcha. It is YPZTH3, and let's submit this to get the verification code on our mobile phone. After filling in the verification code, we'll again go to the next step, continue to step 4. Now basic support plan, that is free, so we'll select the support plan as the basic one, and we will do complete sign up. So with this our account will be created. It's asking us to go to the AWS management console, and we'll just click on this and let's just go to the management console. So we'll just go to sign into the console from here, and we are logged into our console. So this way we have just now created the AWS account successfully. We will use this account for further learning in this series. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.